So this is what Tuscany wine country looks like. The weather is nice and cool. You need a jacket. Coming up here, it was absolutely gorgeous. It's like a dream. The houses were all beautiful. The roads were very small. And obviously we're on top of a mountain somewhere. The houses are mostly painted terracotta, like that color right there. But obviously it's a very wealthy area because everything is beautiful everywhere. There was like no old cars or messed up homes. Everything was beautiful, so it's a very wealthy area.